Mm.
Hi, Mau. Hi, Alvin. Ah, Kinausap kami ng friends nyo para magbigay ng message prior your wedding. And ito lang ang masasabi namin. Una ka na, mami.
Hi, Mau. Hey, Alvin. Finally, this is it. Ito na yung pinakaiintay nyo na panahon. Finally, you will tie the knot on March 28th. And we're happy that you already found your GG. Or sa Couples for Christ, Daddy, God's gift.
God's gift.
So, as you begin your life together, may God bless you and give you many wonderful years together. May God be the center of your relationship and be the glue that holds your marriage together. Sabi nga nila, life is not a bed of roses. A marriage is a lifelong journey that you take together. It's always have a twist and turns, and it's not always to stay the same. Gaya namin ng kuya mo and any other couple, soon makaka-experience kayo ng mga struggles, troubles, mga problems, pains na kailangan yung ma-overcome. Kailangan nyo lang na mag-pray together and pray even harder para ma-overcome nyo lahat ng ito. Lahat naman nag-uumpisa sa umpisa. Hindi naman, kami lang kuya mo, hindi naman kami perfect as a couple. Marami rin kaming mga pagkakamali. Pero we learn from that mistakes. And I think nag-matured na kami pareho ngayon. So, kung may kailangan kayo, nandito lang kami para i-guide kayo, mag-advise sa inyo. So, sa lahat ng mga pagdadaanan nyo, always let God enter and control your life para ma-overcome nyo lahat ng mga
Tama.
problema.
Ako, for me, ang personal message ko lang sa inyong dalawa, una-una, congratulations. Kasi you're stepping up another step higher sa inyong relationship. Pero sana mag-step up din kayo ng another higher step ng relationship nyo with God. Kasi you will become as couple, as one. And yun na nga,
Daddy, wag ka umiyak.
God should be the center of your relationship. Always pray together. Kasi sabi nga, the family that prays together stays together. Palagi nyong intindihin yung isa't isa. Matuto kayo magbigay ng pasensya, magsabi ng sorry, magsabi ng I love you, mahal nyo ang isa't isa.
Every day and for the
To
rest
always
of your
remind
lives.
na nandyan kayo para sa isa't isa. So, good luck and best wishes sa inyo. And nandito lang kami to always support you. And give our life experiences as couples also. Yun lang. And have a happy married life.
Have a blessed on your wedding day. See you soon!
Ciao!